So now that you are sure that okay, if there's an error, it will return. That means the function, the execution will not get here. But if there's not an error, what we want to do is we want to redirect the user to a success page to show the user okay, your message has been sent and we will attend to your query as soon as possible. So what you just need to do is just come in here, and from Django HTTP imports HTTP. Of course, you can see different HTTP requests that you can get. HTTP request, HTTP response, HTTP bad request, HTTP response forbidden. But now what I need is HTTP response redirect. Like I want to redirect the user from that page to another page once the entry is accepted or is valid. So HTTP response redirects. So now that I have that, what I just need to do is then come in here and then do return HTTP response redirects, and let me just redirect the user to message sent. Of course, don't forget that I have not defined this message sent URL, and to do that, what I just need to do is just come in here to the URLs and then duplicate this and then define message sent in here, message sent, and I am going to come to the views to I'm going to be coming to the views to update to define the function for the message sent URL. So I'm going to be defining a function. Let me just call it message sent, and I have my request. And let me just return render. And I have my request. Then I copy this URL, but this time around I want to display the contact us or the sources. Don't forget that I defined two HTML files in the template URL. So what I just need to do is change this to sources, and that will be that. Now that I have sources, it will redirect me to the sources. So I'll then come in here that when I navigate to the message sent URL, then I want to render the message sent. Of course, don't forget that I have not defined anything inside this message sent. So I'll come in here, I'll just copy the template of the HTML page. So but the body, instead of it to be a form, I am just going to display it as a paragraph. Now see that your query has been received or has been sent. Query has been sent. So if I save all now, and I then come to my website, to my application, I refresh, I put a random name of John Doe, and I click on submit. You can see that it navigates me to a success page of your query has been sent. So now that our form is working, let's just go back, and we are navigating the user to the success page. So all we just need to do before we now go to the built-in Django form functionality. Of course, at the point when you are rendering this, you want to set the as error to false, because for example, if I come in here, of course, let me just go back to the message sent, sorry, to the contact us form, and I allow it to have error, say submit, because there's an error, then I refresh, the error goes away.